Hello, 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 hello! And let's see how we go. So now we have nice fresh shocks in there. Alright, so little connector made, batteries in, and yeah, turn the key on. We got a light, got a rear light. But I don't believe we have indicators. Starter doesn't do anything. We have horn, and we have no indicators on the other side. Problems. Well, I did extract the relay, the starter relay, and here it is, a little pesky number, and it's not good, it's burned. I will show you in a moment how to test them up, whether they are good or not. So we have a starter relay. This one has a 5 prongs. Doesn't really matter too much whether it has 4 or 5. I don't know whether 5th is a bypass for something, but I don't know. In this case, I don't think it is particularly important. What you need is a power source, a couple little banana leads, then your tester. So what we need to do is to
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas.
life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it.
Ground. Well, here is our test. On this consider. Here is the buttons. Let's turn the ignition on and see if the engine cranks over. Yes! Awesome. That works. My little fix worked sweet. Next order of business is to fix this footpeg. Let's get to it. Hey, today's mission was reasonably successful. I got the battery connected on. Starter relay is now working, so we got there. The left footpeg is okay. Shocks are on. I have fixed the indicator because it was broken and was just hanging. I have resoldered left indicator, but I think something's wrong in there because it doesn't work anymore. I have retightened and fixed the tachometer holding, and she is pretty good. But now I have a problem with the flasher relay, which doesn't work. So I can turn the indicators on, they work, but they don't flash. So I had the flash relay open and clean the points and thought it'll fix it, but it just doesn't happen. So yeah, bit of progress, and we'll get there, slowly but surely. Stay tuned. If you would like to see more of this, please consider subscribing, do those notification things, and like my video. Feel, comment, whatever you want, just not mean stuff. I can do without that. And yeah, tomorrow I'll try to do a video for a ride on my Sportster 1970, going for a kind of massive ride, so it should be fun. Lots of bikes, lots of people, so we'll see. I'll see you later.